Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and we're here with
Jeff.
We're here with my good man Jeff here at his shop, Express Lube Auto Repair. And today we're going to be going over an Amsoil product, and this happens to be the chain lube.
This is.
And well, I think what makes it different is it doesn't fling off. It's got proprietary additives in it, and it just allows it to really cling to the metal. We're going to be using it on something else.
That's right, something much bigger.
Yes, let's do it, Jeff.
Here's the deal. My garage doors, we have to keep these lubed, and I haven't actually ever used a good lube. Last time I did it, I literally sprayed it with transmission fluid.
Holy
I went
cow.
up and down the tracks, and it worked pretty decent.
All right.
But it didn't work as good as it could, so I had a garage door place come out here and kind of diagnose and adjust. I could only afford to fix one door at a time. Each one of these doors, to get them repaired, is approximately $500.
All right, so it's important to keep them well lubed.
So if I can pay 1% of $500 to get these things working better, I'm going to do it. So we're going to give this a try. Now I'm going to show you real quick. This is the hardest door I have to open in the shop to open. Now, you know I'm a big badass MF, right?
All right.
Okay. I'm going to show you that this literally takes a bench press to get up. That's a pain in the butt.
Yep.
So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lower it back down.
Yep.
Hopefully this will quiet it up too. All right, so we're going to try getting some spray on here. These tracks are really dry. These wheels are really dry. Which basically I got nothing. So I'm going to run and I'm just going to spray up the track. I don't feel like I need to make it like dripping or anything like that. I've got all the wheels on the lower side. Okay, so I got the tracks. Now they also said that you need to lube the spring system so it doesn't catch on itself. So this one I'm going to put a lot more in.
Smells wonderful, Jeff.
Oh yeah. Now I'm going to slide this over a little bit so I can get the other side top to bottom.
You definitely want to do this in a ventilated area.
Yes, absolutely. That's why I'm doing it outdoors. Okay.
Beautiful technique, Jeff.
All the way up. And remember, if you're afraid to go on a ladder, don't do it.
Wonderful advice, Jeff.
Yeah, why not? If the lion's teeth hurt, don't bite them.
Spray that wire, Jeff?
Yeah, oh yeah, the cable. Thank you, Lardell. There's a spring assist cable system up here. I'm going to spray the drum. Get a little bit of lube in there. I sprayed some on the other drum. So, let's see what we got here. Woo! It's even fall proof.
All right. Let's see what we got.
Whoa. That was a lot easier.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Nice.
Just going to work her in a little bit.
Yeah. I feel like that's pretty much it. I'm pretty happy with that.
All right.
So I think that's a lot smoother than it's been in quite some time. Barely broke a sweat. Took us, what, 10 minutes?
Yep.
Job's done. And this works on garage doors at home because most garage doors have that same spring style system. They also have the runners. So get that lube.
Yep.
Spray it on your tracks at home. Spray it on your springs up there. And your garage door is going to last longer. Also, if you've got a chain drive or a worm drive on your garage door opener, spray that too.
And speaking of the cross-eyed devil, we have a chain drive right up there.
We do.
Which is very common. And in a moment, Jeff's going to get up there and take care of that. Use it for all these different applications. And if you have any questions on any of the products, definitely reach out to myself or Jeff. Jeff's here on Tropicana and Boulder Highway at Express Lube Auto Repair. And well, we will see you
that
here.
next one.
And yeah, and also if you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing and also give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this content. And we have a lot of other playlists right here in the corner. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little link to those for coolant changes, engine flushes, and everything else. And Jeff is diligently at work lubricating this little angel.
That's it. That's all I had to do right there.
That's it. It's just that easy.
Simple.
and it's something you do maybe once a year, and you keep up with your maintenance, and there's nothing to ever fret about.
Done and done. Barely broke a sweat. It's only look, it's only 112. How close can you get?
All right.
112.
Go back, Jeff. Let's see it.
Right there, 112.
112. All right. So there you go. We're down here in Henderson. That's what it's like in the midst of the summer. And that pretty much sums it up. And then Jeff, he is the master technician on our Thursday Night Live video. So if you haven't seen that playlist yet, I'm going to put that in the corner. Definitely check us out every Thursday, 6:15 p.m. live Las Vegas time, and we will answer all of your questions.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
See you Thursday.
One last trick.
Yes.
Now remember, kids, don't try this at home. Are you ready?
Yes.
Don't do that.
Oh my God.
All right.
Jeez.
That was just a joke. Please don't even try that.
Oh, jeez.